Hello there. I get asked a lot by people that see my videos about one specific piece of gear. And we're going to talk about that piece of gear today. And that right here is a landing net. It's one of the most important things you can have when fly fishing, especially catch and release. This particular net, my wife purchased for me many years ago on Etsy. And what she discovered was a pretty cool net. There is no other manufacturer out there today that can say that their nets are 100% handmade right here in the US. And Hellbender fishing nets are just that. JD and Bailey out of South Carolina, he builds every single one of these nets to order. And I have to tell you, they're beautiful, they're functional, and they just have really good fishy karma. They have a multitude of sizes, whether you're fishing really small streams and just want the brookie and something small, or if you want the upstream. This particular one is the upstream wide mouth. They have the upstream that has a little more of a narrow mouth. And they even specially designed a net just for me called the Big Ass Net, because I wanted one of their nets to take with me steelhead fishing. And it's big enough to handle the biggest steelhead, light enough to where I can have it on my sling pack. So it's a really great net. Now granted, I'm super tall and I had that Big Ass Net made with a shorter handle, so my height keeps that net from dragging on the ground, but just something to consider when ordering that net if you plan to hang it off of a sling pack on just the Big Ass Net. Every single net is unique to itself. You can get just a standard bamboo finish, or JD hand fires every one of these nets. So every single net is completely unique to the owner that it was built for. It's all copper strung all the way from the inside around the netting. This netting is biodegradable, so God forbid that you lose this entire net, the entire net is biodegradable because it's made out of 100% bamboo and a biodegradable netting. This is a great catch and release net as well. So why else would you choose Hellbender over anything else? Not only are they US made, but they're also made by a small family-owned business. They've got a map and put pins wherever they've sold one of these nets. They take that type of pride in their net, in their craftsmanship. So the other cool thing about this net is the fish look really good in these nets as well. I mean, it is really just a masterpiece. And that's why I support Hellbender, right? It's a very functional net. It's lightweight. It has a nice big opening, nice deep net, so my big fish will fit in this net nicely. They're family owned. They're made here in the US. Everyone's uniquely made for the customer that orders them. What more is there to want in a fishing net? So I would encourage you to take a look at hellbendernets.com. Support a family-owned business. I know JD and Bailey will be very thankful. But you can use my coupon code and save yourself a little bit of money because you heard it from me, and I'll leave that information right down in the pinned comment. All right, till the next time, everybody, fish on.